खुशामदीद और अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। आज की मेरी वीडियो है सोहरब और रुस्तम के सॉल्यूशंस। तो प्यारे बच्चों, अच्छी खुशखत के साथ अपने नोट्स को मुकम्मल करना। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। सबसे पहले है यहाँ पर कॉम्प्रहेंशन क्वेश्चंस। हमें सवालात के जवाबात यहाँ पर देना है। नंबर 1, हु वॉज रुस्तम, वेयर डिड ही लिव? आंसर इज रुस्तम वॉज अ ग्रेट हीरो एंड वॉरियर, ही लिव्ड इन पर्शिया। Number 2, who chanced to see Rustum when he went out for a hunt? Answer is the chieftain chanced to see Rustum when he went out for a hunt. Number 3, who was Tahmina? Who did she marry? Answer is Tahmina was the daughter of the chieftain of Toran. She was married to Rustum. Number 4, what made Rustum ride away to his army in Persia? Answer is after a time, Rustum, being a warrior, got tired of his married life at home. This made Rustum ride away to his army in Persia. Next question है number 5. Why did the king of Persia send for Rustum? Answer is Sohrab's name became a terror to the Persian army, so the king of Persia sent for Rustum. Number 6. What reply did Sohrab get when he was questioned? Answer is Sohrab got replied when he was questioned. Why did he want to know who he was? Fight or accept defeat? Number 7. Why did Sohrab not avail of the chance to kill Rustum? Answer is Sohrab did not avail of the chance to kill Rustum because his heart did not permit it. Next question, number 8. What truth did Sohrab reveal when he was in a pool of blood? Answer is Sohrab revealed the truth that Rustum had been told that the child born to him was a girl. In fact, mother said this for fear of losing him. Then he showed the seal on his right arm. The truth is that the Sohrab is the son of Rustum. Number 9. How did Rustum react when he came to know that he had killed his own son? Answer is Rustum was struck with horror at his own deed. He uttered one sharp cry, "Oh boy! I am thy father." His voice choked there. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी है बी। यहाँ पर हमें सवालात के जवाब 4 या 5 जुमले में देने हैं। नंबर 1, व्हाट डिड रुस्तम से टू हिज वाइफ बिफोर गोइंग बैक टू हिज आर्मी? आंसर इज रुस्तम टोल्ड हिज वाइफ दैट डियर तहमीना ही मस्ट गो बैक टू हिज आर्मी देन एंड he didn't know when he would return. Keep that seal with her. If she begot a son, bind that seal to his arm and send him to him. But if the baby born of her is a daughter, put that seal on her neck with the chain and send him the news. Number 2. What did Tahmina say to herself when a son was born of her? Answer is Tahmina said to herself, if I let my husband know that he is blessed with the son, he would wean him away from me. He might want to make him a great warrior. How then can I live without my son by my side? No, I cannot allow him to be taken away from me. I shall send word to my husband that I bore a daughter. Next question. What did Sohrab think of doing in order to meet his father Rustum? Answer is Toran was at war with Persia. Sohrab saw in it a chance to meet his father. He said to himself, I shall invite the foremost of the Persian heroes to fight a single combat with me. The Persian will be forced to send brave Rustum, my father, to fight with me and save the honor of his country. When he comes, I shall tell him that I am his son and take him home. Next question is, what made Sohrab drop the covering shield? Answer is, the first stage of fighting ended in Sohrab's favor. This made Rustum very angry. In his great rage, he shouted his name, Rustum. The moment Sohrab heard the name of his father, he dropped the covering shield. Question number 5. How did Rustum come to know that Sohrab was his son? Answer is, when Sohrab fainted and sank to the ground, his body was bleeding and staining the sands. Rustum spoke unkindly to Sohrab. In reply to it, Sohrab said, Boastful man, Rustum had been told that the child born to him was a girl, and he continued, That is what mother said for fear of losing me, my father. Looked at the seal on my right arm. Rustum drew near the arm of Sohrab and looked closely at the seal. It was the same seal which he had given to Tahmina. Thus Rustum came to know that Sohrab was his son. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी है नंबर सी। यहाँ पर हमें रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेस्ट यानी ये जुमले किसने किससे कहे लिखना है। नंबर 1, इफ यू बेगट अ सन बाइंड दिस सील टू हिज आर्म एंड सेंड हिम टू मी। ए, हु सेड दीज वर्ड्स? आंसर इज रुस्तुम सेड दीज वर्ड्स। नंबर बी, who were these spoken to? Answer is these were spoken to Tahmina. C, why did he say so? Answer is because he was going back to his army and he didn't know when he would return. Number 2, are you not Rustum? A, who said this? Answer is Sohrab said this. B, who was it said to? Answer is it was said to Rustum. C, who was Rustum? Answer is Rustum was a great warrior and hero of Persia and was the father of Sohrab. Number 3, that is what my mother said for fear of losing me to my father. Look at the seal on my right arm. A, who said these lines? Answer is Sohrab said these lines. B, who were the words spoken to? Answer is the words were spoken to Rustum. C, where did Sohrab say these words? Answer is Sohrab said these words on the battlefield. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी है वोकैबुलरी। यहाँ पर हमें अपोजिट वर्ड्स लिखने हैं। एडवांटेज, डिसएडवांटेज, बिलीवेबल, अनबिलीवेबल, डू, अनडू, प्लेजेंट, अनप्लेजेंट, ट्रस्ट, डिसट्रस्ट, रेगुलर, इरेगुलर, कंटिन्यू, डिसकंटिन्यू, responsible, irresponsible, legal, illegal, decent, indecent, proper, improper, direct, indirect, pure, impure, order, disorder, literate, illiterate, order, disorder. नेक्स्ट है एक्टिविटी। यहाँ पर हमें फ्रेजेस को अपने जुमलों में इस्तेमाल करना है। नंबर 1, as long as. आंसर इज you can go to school as long as you can. Number 2, to fall in love with. Answer is I want to fall in love with God. To give birth to. Answer is my sister wanted to give birth to a baby boy. Number 4, to get tired. Answer is workers got tired of their daily work. To wean away. Answer is he is gradually weaning away himself from his friends. To give up. Answer is don't give up hope until you succeed. C, यहाँ पर भी हमें सही जवाब को खाली जगहों में भरना है। पेरेंट्स लुक आफ्टर देयर चिल्ड्रन. द स्कूल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 15 रूम्स. द मदर सेंट फॉर अ डॉक्टर टू अटेंड हर सिक सन. जवाहरलाल नेहरू वॉज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. ही डाइड ऑफ कैंसर. नंबर 3 में हमें मुनासिब जोड़ लगाना है। नंबर ए, वेयर, प्लेस, बी, व्हेन, टाइम, सी, हाउ, मैनर, डी, हु, डूअर, ई, वाई, रीज़न। नेक्स्ट है यहाँ पर बी वाली एक्टिविटी। सवालात हमें बनाने हैं। नंबर 1, आंसर इज वेयर डू यू स्टे. नंबर 2, हु विल गिव यू द मनी. नंबर 3, हाउ डज शी ट्रैवल. नंबर 4, व्हाई डिड ही गो टू द बैटल फील्ड. सी वाली एक्टिविटी है यहाँ पर। नंबर 1, व्हाट डिड तहमीना सेंड. नंबर 2, व्हाई डिड रुस्तुम एग्री. Number 3, why didn't Sohrab kill Rustum? Number 4, what did Rustum give to his wife Tahmina? Number 5, how did Sohrab fight with his father? D पर आते हैं यहाँ पर जवाबात की तरफ डायरेक्टली। A, when was he born? A, when did Sohrab challenge the bravest soldier? फिर से A, how did the Persian champion react? A, what did Sohrab realize? तो ये थे प्यारे बच्चों इसके सॉल्यूशंस। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप अच्छी तरह पढ़ाई करेंगे। शुक्रिया।